Hi Nasim besties. It is a Thursday morning, so attend lectures with me. Thursdays are for lectures. I'm just looking beautiful this month. Very, very beautiful. Okay, here we go. So this Nurse Genevieve and this Nurse Blessing. So today we are not trekking. Like I decided to, enter public transport. No be me suffer pass. Yotago. So this is how the cities was looking this morning. So we are waiting for bus and here is one. I'm inside the bus already. I have to make myself very comfortable as a queen I am. Anywhere I find myself, like I used to make sure I'm comfortable. So I'm just here, you know, relaxing. Like this is what I used to use like to trek every morning. Like God, well it can only get better. So we dropped a passenger and the journey continues. It's not easy. I will trek every morning like this and use leg. Okay, so we almost there anyway. Already at the gates, and it's time to come down. So I paid the driver. This is a federal university teaching hospital, so the hospital is very, very big, and I still have to trek inside the hospital, you know. So I started trekking with my course mates. We are going to diagnostic center. That is where the lecture is taking place. Wakano we here. Started walking. Like sometimes you just get tired. Like if you not eat in the morning and started all this trekking of a thing, you just get tired. And it's still morning. No, see how fresh my face is looking. Like that place is very, very, very big. I never still reach waka long inside the hospital, no be say na outside. Okay, but we almost there anyways. Like I'm getting there. you know this call of humanity is not easy. No get wetin I never see, but last like I'll be happy and like I believe. So this is the diagnostic center and I am going at the last floor. Like hey, so this inside the lecture room. I was just paying attention. I'm a good student. Okay, jotting down some stuff, some things. Then here the lecture has already ended, like so I'm just getting ready to leave and I decided to get the view from there, like up there. You'll be seeing every damn thing, like even across outside the hospital. From there you'll be seeing everything. So I just decided to get the view, how it looks. It looks beautiful. Then here it's time to go. I was just tired because this staircase is giving me tough time. But I still have to go home. Like I don't even have a choice. I still have to climb it. I still have to walk down. Like it is well. It is well. Yeah, I'm almost there. Like this is the last part of the staircase. So I'm now down. And the sun was too much. I decided to on the umbrella. I'm a queen. Can't work under the sun. Now map now. Like no be me suffer pass. So no be because I dey serve humanity make I come make I come bye. So started walking home. Then after getting home, I decided to do a modeling video, and my roommates they were just laughing at me. How can I do a video on low cuts? But that doesn't concern me. I was just doing my thing. Have you seen a pretty nurse today, like a student nurse that is a model? It doesn't matter, okay? So this is me, rocking the steps. Okay. So after this, I decided to change the trouser and wear a short. Let me see what modeling I did today. Well, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. subscribe, share, and follow me for more. Ah, love is small thing. See modeling. Love is small. Like I love this.